What's up guys, welcome to a new video. So I already made 2 videos on this channel on how to create a Valorant account, and a lot of you guys said that a notification pops up that says you do not meet the requirements. So there's gonna be a couple of reasons to this. The first one, you have to be at least 16 years of age. As it says here, both PGI and SRB agrees that Valorant is unsuitable for players under 13. However, Riot Games requires Valorant players to be at least 16 years of age. You won't have to provide identification to download the game, but you won't be able to play if you claim to be an age under 16 years old. So unfortunately, if you are under 16 years old, you cannot play the game. So in order to find out the second reason, you have to go on the official site of Valorant, and then you click on Play Free. And you have 2 options here. I do not have a Riot account yet, and you have the second one that says I have a Riot account. In this case, we're gonna select the first option and click on Make One. Good. Now add your email. Okay, now click on the arrow. Add your birthday. Of course, make sure that you are of age in order for you to play Valorant, and then click on next. Now add your username, click on next, and this might be the second reason, the password. So as it says here, these are the requirements. These 3 must be okay strength or better. The second one is password is at least 8 characters long. The third one, password contains at least 1 letter or number. So you have to have all of those in order for you to create your account. So make sure you have all of that. You see, this is too weak, so unfortunately I cannot create my account. Let's see now. My password is okay, it meets all the requirements, and I can confirm my password now and create my account. Then click on the arrow. And as you can see, your account it's created automatically. So yeah, unfortunately, like I said, if you're under 16, there's nothing you can do about it. The second reason, you want to make sure that your password meets all the requirements. So yeah, I hope this video cleared things out, and if you enjoyed this video and if you find it helpful, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.